Hi, third graders. Today you're going to work on your pattern sort page in your Word Study Unit 10 packet. Remember, your target is I can spell words with open and closed syllable patterns. Your assignment is to read each word in the word bank, divide it in syllables, and then decide where it should go, either the VCCV closed side, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, or the VCV open side, vowel, consonant, vowel of the pattern sort page. We will start a few together. Even. Once you have divided your word into two syllables, the next step is to mark it with the pattern. This one would be vowel, consonant, vowel. That tells us that the word even would go in this portion of the pattern sort. Happen. Divide in two syllables, mark with the pattern that you see, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. This word goes in this part of the pattern sort. Your assignment today is to continue on your own until you have marked the rest of these words and place them in the correct side. When you're finished, make sure your word study packet goes in your reading folder.